So this is simultaneous if ever you were not following to the first video. So this simultaneous, what will happen is that the first step that we're gonna take is this one. So the first step is to find the change in the variables. So the change in the variable is equals to what? Is equals to x and y. So you write the coefficient. Then you do what? You cross multiply. So it is equals to 2 multiplied by 4, it is 8, minus 3 multiplied by 3, it is 9. So therefore change is equals to 8 minus 9 is negative 1. So that is the first step. So after getting the first step, so now we're going to find the change in x. So the change in x is still the same. So the change in x is equals to, you do what? You place your constant number here, and then you place your y here. So when it's x, you focus on y. When it's y, you put x. Then now you cross multiply the two. Now you want to multiply 8 multiplied by 4, which will give us what? 32. Because it's changing x, we have to subtract. And then now we'll do what? 11 multiplied by 3, which gives us what? 33. So then change in x is equals to, so 32 minus 33, it is what? Negative 1. So this is our change in x. So now we want to find change in y. So change in y is this. So we have your x here, you have your constant here, the coefficient for x. Then you cross multiply. So then it's equals to 2 multiplied by 11 is 22 minus, and then you see 8 multiplied by 3. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. And then you see 24 minus 22 minus 24, which gives us change in y. It gives us what? Negative 2. So we have change in x, change in y. So after you have calculated the changes, now it is easier for you to get the value of x and the value of y. So to get the value of x, to get the value of x, you go and say x is equals to, and then you say change in x over change. So then what is the value of change in x? Is negative 1. So negative 1 over the value is negative 1. So that I can have enough space, negative 1 divided by negative 1 gives us positive 1. So therefore x is equals to 1. So then to get the value of y, you're going to say y is equals to what? Change in y over change. And then what is our change in y? Is negative 2 divided by change is what? Negative 1. And then when you divide this, you'll be having what? 2. Therefore y is equals to 2. So x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2.